Daytona today for an open house, and now I'm about to go to the beach, and I think I'm going to drive my car onto the beach, but I'm scared. Will I do it? Let's see. I just ran into Aldi and I got black bean salad. I love this black bean salad. Yum. I got some pulled rotisserie chicken and a poppy for the beach. And I'm about to change into my bathing suit right here. And just like the professional I am, I was able to put my bathing suit on without even taking my dress off. Alright, I'm doing it. I'm not gonna go too far because I don't know what I'm doing. I got it in 4-wheel drive and everything seems to be going okay. I think I'm just gonna pull in right here. Right here's gonna do it for me. I made it on. I love doing new things, new experiences. It's like playing a video game. You unlock new characters, new levels, and I unlocked a new level, baby. One thing about me is that I'm always ready to go to the beach. I keep my beach chair, my umbrella, a towel, my beach bag, an extra swimsuit to cover up, in the car ready to go.